question 5, this is for chapter 6, which is on alternating current. So a 20 ohm resistor, 50 microfarad capacitor, and 30 millihenry inductor. So this is an RCL circuit. They are all connected in series with an AC source of amplitude 10 volts. So that is given as the peak voltage, which is equal to 10 volt, and then we have the frequency, which is 125 hertz. So that is, we do have the information of each of this component. So that is 50 microfarad, and the inductor is 30 millihenry. Okay, so what is the impedance of the circuit? So remember, for an RCL circuit, the impedance is calculated using this equation, XL minus XC square. Okay, so from here, just substitute all the values, but first you need to calculate the value of XL and XC. So this is gonna be equal to 23.56 ohm, and then XC is 1 over 2 pi FC, where you should get the value to be equal to 25.46 ohm. Okay, so this is the situation where XC is greater than XL. Okay, so Z is gonna be equal to, the impedance is gonna be equal to 20.09 ohm. Okay, so question Roman 2 pula, what is the amplitude of the current in the circuit? So this is asking about I node. So we know that this is gonna be using this equation. So I node is equal to 0.498 ampere. Okay, and then Roman 3, what is the phase constant of the current, and is the current leading or lagging the source voltage? So for that question, we will use tangent phi. So this is gonna be equal to XL minus XC over R. So this is gonna be equal to negative 5.43 degree. So this is telling us that the current leads the voltage by 5.43 degree, ataupun V lags I by 5.43 degree. Okay, so I write this down because if they ask you to draw a phasor diagram, the arrow is gonna be pointing downwards instead of upwards lah. Okay, boleh ah? Alright, question B pula, a coil has a resistance of 10 ohm and an inductance of 0.4 Henry. So it is connected. Oh, actually this is, we need space. Do we have space? I think this should be fine. So this is question B. Okay, so we have a resistance of 10 ohm and inductance of 0.4 Henry. So it is connected to an AC source of 6.5 volt, and the frequency is 30 over pi hertz. So find the average power. So the average power is just the power for the using the RMS current lah, which is this equation here. Okay, so we do not have the value of RMS current, so we have to use this equation to calculate for the IRMS. But we do not have the value of Z, so we have to calculate the value of Z pula. XL square. Okay, so this is an RL circuit saja, so the impedance is calculated this way. So this one you will get 26 ohm, and the RMS current you will get 0.25 ampere. So the power you should get 0.625 watt. Alright, okay, so that is on question number 5.